In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing tasks for a small team or coordinating larger projects, knowing how to export your Asana data can be really helpful. It can make sharing information easier or help you analyze your project's progress offline. So let's get straight into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Begin by entering your email address that you used to create your Asana account. After typing in your email, click on the Continue button. Asana will then prompt you to enter your password. Be sure to type it carefully to avoid any login errors. Once that's done, hit the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. Here, you'll see all of your ongoing tasks and projects. From this page, you'll want to focus on your specific project of interest. Navigate through your project list and click on the project that you wish to export data from. This action will take you to the main view of your selected project. At this point, look towards the top of your project window where you'll find the Actions drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal several options related to your project. From this drop-down, you need to select the Sync/Export option. This is the key function that unlocks different ways you can handle your project's data. Now comes the part where you need to make a choice about the format you'd like your exported data to be. Asana offers several file types for exporting. Consider what your needs are. For instance, CSV files are excellent for spreadsheet applications, while JSON files can be useful for web applications. Take a moment to think about which format will best suit your needs before making your selection. And there you have it. Once you've selected your preferred file type for export, follow the prompts to complete the process, and Asana will generate the file for you to download directly to your computer. With this export, you'll be able to sort, filter, and analyze your project data as needed. Exporting project data from Asana is a straightforward process, and it can really enhance the way you manage and share your projects. The flexibility of choosing different file types means you can tailor the export based on how you intend to use the data. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. Now you can take better control of your Asana projects with the power of data exportation.